In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your inversion of the ankle. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have three things that we need. I've got a chair, I've got a resistance band, and something steady that I can pop the resistance band around. So when we're working inversion, whatever you've anchored the resistance band around, it's going to be the foot that's closest towards that we're going to be working. So for example, in this setup I've got here, my right foot is closest towards the anchor, and therefore that's the side I'm going to be working. If I wanted to work my left side, I'd have my chair facing the opposing way to me, so opposite to me, so my left leg was closest towards the anchor point, and I could do exactly the same in that position. So how do we work inversion and what is it? So I'm going to bring the chair out, and what I'm going to do is have this band just underneath my big toe. From here, inversion, as the name suggests, we are going to bring the ankle in towards the midline of the body. So whatever position you've got the band in, we're bringing it into a position where we're creating more resistance. So I'm going to have my heel in contact with the floor. My toes and forefoot are going to point up slightly, and now I'm going to be working the inversion as I point my ankle into inversion and back to a neutral position. As I'm doing this, notice how my knee stays completely straight. I'm not coming into this position and cheating with my knee and using my hip. I want to keep my knee completely straight, as is my foot, and then I just point in with the ankle and then back towards that neutral position. You would repeat this for your desired sets and repetitions, and then you would do exactly the same on the opposing leg.